Scientists have discovered millions of animal species surviving on this planet, of which some are fierce, while others are cute, loving, and adorable. Out of these million species, we are only aware of a relatively small percentage. However, from those that we do know of, there are some very strange animals that are truly amazing. With unusual features and behavior, they easily earn their places on many people's animal spotting bucket lists. If you like such a content, then why don't you subscribe to the channel? It's completely free and you will receive interesting and amusing videos every week. And now, let's check out some of the weirdest animal species on the planet. Number 10. Red-lipped batfish. Also known as the weird-looking fish, the red-lipped batfish lives in the marine life of the Galapagos Islands. These fish are said to possess some similar features of a bat, so they are named batfish. Although these species' body color varies from light brown to gray, they can be easily identified with their distinctive red lips. A remarkable fact about red-lipped batfish is that they walk on ocean floors. This is because they are not really good swimmers. Number 9. Cpen. A cpen is a graceful creature of the seafloor, the beast named after an old-fashioned quill pen. Their colors range from dark orange to yellow and white. Commonly, cpens can grow to a height of 40 centimeters. The interesting fact about these sea creatures is that each cpen is a colony of polyps that works together to survive the whole. And when stimulated, the cpens glow with a bright greenish light. Check out the cpens in the Pacific Ocean, where they thrive from the Gulf of Alaska to California. Number 8. Marquar. Marquar is a wild goat found in the mountains of Central Asia from southern Russia to the west of Himalayas. However, you can find a significant population of these animals in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. The males and the females look similar in appearance, both with spiral-shaped horns that can be flared or straight, depending on the individuals. They have tan-colored coats and white underparts, with rugged white fur on their chest and neck. Marquar goats prefer to live at altitudes. However, the heights of their ranges depend on the season. In summer, they live on higher altitudes, while in winters, in lower altitudes. Number 7. Leafy Sea Dragon. The leafy sea dragon or weedy sea dragon is a close relative of seahorse. They are some of the most ornately camouflaged creatures. The lobes of their skin provide them camouflage, which gives the appearance of seaweed. The leafy sea dragons can maintain a similar illusion while swimming. You can find this eye-catching creature along the southern and western coast of Australia. If you enjoying this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Number 6. Pink Fairy Armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest species of armadillo. It is the only armadillo who has a dorsal shell that is entirely separate from its body. The species is known for some of its unique features. For example, they pumps blood using its shell to regulate its body temperature. They are also known as sand swimmers, because of their quick ability to navigate underground. Visit central Argentina, where you can find the pink fairy armadillo in the dry grasslands and sandy plains. Number 5. Sugar gliders. The sugar glider is a small, nocturnal possum that glides using skin between its and legs as wings, much like a flying squirrel. These omnivores belonging to the marsupial infraclass, get their common name from their taste for sugary foods, such as sap and nectar. Number 4. Mata Mata Turtle. Mata Mata is a South American turtle, famous for its shell or carapace, which is black or brown. The turtle has a triangular and flattened head, and their bodies and long necks are rough and bumpy. You can find Mata Mata in South America, where they live in slow-moving blackwater, streams, rivers, marshes, and swamps. They rarely live in shallow water and only come to land when they lay eggs. Number 3. Kwadimundi. Quadimundis are related to both raccoons and kinkajous. There are 4 species of these animals, however, all the Cotis types have a slender head with a long, elongated nose, turned slightly upward. They have small ears, dark feet, and a long tail, which is used for balancing. The interesting fact about these species is that they are incredibly flexible and rotate up to 60 degrees in any direction. You can find these strange animals in the America. Number 2. Glass frog. Glass frog species belong to the family of Centrolinidae. These frogs are also known by the name see-through, because of their translucent skin. There are 60 different species of glass frogs seen in southern Mexico, Central, and South America. The preferred habitat of these species is the tropical rainforest, mainly in treetops. These frogs' bodies are generally bright green or olive green in color, and their belly is covered with translucent skin. Depending on individual species, the size of a glass frog may vary. However, the smaller species are usually 0.78 inches long, while the larger ones can reach a length of 3 inches. You can spot these tree-dwelling frogs in Costa Rica or Panama. Number 1. Lyrebird. The lyre is a tree-dwelling bird species that are native to Australia. There are 2 different species of lyrebirds, which are superb lyrebirds and Albert's lyrebirds. Both the species differ slightly from one another, but the majestic lyrebird exhibits short legs and striped tail feathers that curl outwards at the end. Their body is brown and gray with a reddish hue in the wings. The Albert's lyrebird lacks the long and elaborate tail like the superb lyrebird. This species has brown and gray plumage with a slightly blue shade on head and tail feathers. These impressive birds are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, crying babies, ringtones, and sometimes even words. Visit the rainforest of Queensland and New South Wales to see the lyrebirds. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.